Drum roll. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another meal, where we will be eating another meal. We got asparagus, potatoes, fingerling potatoes, roasted fingerling, cornbread biscuits,
Possible.
a meat patty. Look, see, look. Y'all just wait. Y'all just wait. There is a method to the madness. You see the A1 sauce. This is a steak. What do you mean?
It is.
This is a steak.
A poor man's steak.
So we got the Izzy for when we get thirsty. You feel me? And the ketchup.
And the A1 sauce.
Put it
Ooh, that's
Look at that shit squirt out. Look. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared to try this purple one. Y'all, that was a purple potato. Potatoes are only really good with ketchup. With ketchup, ranch. No. The potatoes were a success as far as them being eaten and gone. Completely gone. Oh! Oh, wow. Finger looking good, bruh. Make you put your fork down and just... Oh! Oh my God. Feel me? Oh my God. Can't stop there. I didn't even eat my meat yet. Oh!
I watched it on how it's made, I know.
Animals! Yeah! I love animals. I love the taste of flesh.
Oh my God, stop doing that.
And that's all, folks.
And when it rocks.
Listen up here, folks.
Okay, look. I gotta explain something right quick. I thought there was a booger there. It was my nose ring touching the side of my nostril, and at first I was like, what the fuck? That motherfucker. Ooh, that one too.
Look, y'all. Listen here, folks. Your girl Rissy and I will be back with another meal
Later.
later.
Alright, you know, do
All right,
your
you know,
thing.
do your thing.
Subscribe.